Good morning, fifth grade mathematicians. Today is Thursday, December 3rd, 2020. The purpose of today's video is to guide you to the Safari Restaurant assignment and to give you some helpful hints and tips to get started. So the first thing we're going to do is navigate to ClassLink. And once we go to ClassLink, we're going to log into SeeSaw because this activity is saved in SeeSaw. And when we get to SeeSaw, we want to click on our name in the top left-hand corner. And then we want to find our math class and then our activities, okay? So once our activities come up, we want to find adding and subtracting decimals at the Safari Restaurant, and we want to add a response. And Ms. Fowler always goes in as the sample student. Okay, so now my Safari Restaurant menu has come up on the screen. The drinks and desserts are on slide 1. On slide 2, I have the appetizers and the entrees. On slide 3, that's where my work is going to go, 3 and 4. And slide 5 is also parts of the menu, appetizers, drinks, entrees, and desserts. So we're going to start off on slide 3. And the directions say, you and a friend are out to eat together at the Safari Restaurant. Use the Safari Restaurant menu you have been given. Choose 1 appetizer to share, 2 entrees, 2 drinks, and 1 dessert to share. Write your selections below, then answer the question showing all work. Okay, so remember, Ms. Fowler said you can work with a partner in class. You can work with a partner at home if you guys exchange phone numbers, as long as both partners' names are placed up top where I'm circling, okay? Or you can pretend that you have a partner, all right? So Ms. Fowler's going to pretend that she has a partner. So the first thing says to select an appetizer. So I'm going to go back to page 2, and I see that the appetizers are listed: rattlesnake wraps, loaded nachos, cheetah cheese fries, potato skinks, appetizer sampler, and soft pretzels with dip. And I think I'm going to go with the potato stinks. So now I'm going to go back to slide 3, and I'm going to use the text tool to write out potato stinks. All right, and then I want to make it big, and then I want to make it skinny so that it fits on my line. And there it is, it's on my line. All right, I used the text tool. Now I forgot how much those cost, so let me go back. The potato skinks are $4.79. So I'm going to also use the text tool again. I'm going to say 4.79. All right, I'm going to make it smaller and put my price up. So now I have to find an entree for myself. So I'm going to go back to my menu, and here are the entrees. Steak, sandwiches, and burgers, or vegetarian. I'm going to go with the bacon cheeseburger. So I'm going to go back to slide 3, and the bacon cheeseburger is $6.30. So text tool, bacon cheeseburger. I'll make it skinny and put it on the line, okay? And I forgot how much that cost, so let me go back. Bacon cheeseburger, $6.30. Now, if you're forgetting from slide to slide, you can write this stuff on a piece of paper and then transfer it over. So that's also another helpful hint. So let me go back and get my text tool, and that's 6.30. And I'm going to put that on my line. So now my friend, what is my friend going to eat? So let's see, I need an entree for my friend. Since I picked a burger, I'm going to pick the lettuce wraps for my friend, because maybe we can, well, actually, no, the turkey panini, because maybe we can swap out and try each other's food. So I'm going to go with the turkey panini. So I'm going to go back to slide 3, and my friend is going to eat the turkey panini. Okay. And again, I'm going to make it skinny, make it small, put it on the line. Okay. Now that turkey panini was $6.40. So text tool again, 6.40. And I'm going to put it on the line. All right. Now, a drink for me. So let's go back to the drinks. And though they're on slide 5, I'm going to go with the milkshake for $3.65. So I'm going to go back to slide 3, and I want the milkshake. And this milkshake is $3.65. So 3.65. All right. And I'm going to place it on the line. Now my friend needs a drink. So let's go back to slide 5. I think my friend would probably want a soda. So I'm going to get my friend a soda for $2.45. Make that small, put that on the line. And now I need to add the amount, and I said that was 2.45. All right. And now we're going to get a dessert to share. So let's see, the chocolate chimp cake, the apple pie. Ooh, apple pie with ice cream. That's what I want for $5.57. So apple pie with ice cream. Make it small, nice and skinny. Put it on the line. And that price again was $5.57. So that's 5.57. And I'm going to put it on the line. Now I have all my menu selections. I'm ready to go to question 1. Question 1 says, find the total cost of the bill for the selections you have made. So the total cost of the bill, in order to find the total cost, that means I need to add up the prices of everything that I've selected. So 4.79, 6.30, 6.40, 3.65, 2.45, and 5.57. So I'm going to use the text tool and say 4.79 space 6.30 space 6.40. I'm going to continue to add up or add in my prices.
Happy holidays.
And that's Dr. Martin on the intercom in the middle of my recording, so please disregard that. And then 5.57. So that's all of my prices. I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to put it in the box. And now I'm going to transfer to my pencil tool and draw a line underneath it and put a plus sign, and then I'm going to add up all of these numbers. So 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 plus 7 is 26. So the 6 goes down low, and the 2, it goes up top over the 10th place. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. 22 plus 4 is 26. 26 plus 5 is 31. So I'm going to put the 1 down low and regroup the 3 up top to the 1's place. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. 19 plus 3 is 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. 23 plus 5 is 28. So that's $28.16. And I'm going to put my decimal, bring it straight down, and I'm going to add a $sign symbol. Okay? So now I'm ready to move on to question 2. For question 2, all I need to do is take my amount of $28.16 because it's wanting me to add a tip of $6.72. So that's 28.16. And then I add the tip of $6.72. So I'm going to line everything up based off of place value and add, okay? Now for question 3, it says, what is the cost if you and your friend are too full and decide to skip dessert? So if we're going to skip dessert, that means I need to subtract the $5.57 from my bill. So I'm going to go back, I'm going to take the amount from question 2, and I'm going to subtract the amount of the dessert, which is $5.57. Okay, and that's what's going to go for question 3. Questions 4, 5, and 6, I want you to try 100% on your own. Make sure that you read the questions carefully. If you have any questions, drop me a note in the chat, raise your hand, take your mic off mute, and I'm more than happy to help you figure out how to derive or create the calculations for those questions. And question 7 is a bonus. It is a bonus. So mathematicians, this is our decimals menu activity. It's going to count as our quiz grade for NBT2. Please make sure that you have this work completed and turned in no later than tomorrow before school ends at 2 o'clock. 2:20 is dismissal time. So thanks for tuning in, mathematicians, and I'll see you in class and online for another great day of teaching and learning in 5th grade math.